Hi there, this is just a quick reminder to take extra care when following the advice in our videos, especially when it comes to things like electrics, gas appliances and heavy lifting. Stay safe and if in doubt, always contact a qualified professional. If your oven's not heating up, it's probably down to a faulty heating element, depending on the type of oven you have. First, turn off the power. Then find your heating element. It's usually under the broiler or storage drawer. Most broilers are a metal coil at the top of your oven. Look for any overly worn or loose sections and general wear and tear. If you spot something wrong with the heating element, it's best to get it replaced by a trained professional. Oven door locks can often fill up with dirt and prevent closure. You can prevent this with regular cleaning. Check the racks are in the right position and push them as far back as you can. If your oven door is warped, it might need replacing. First up, take out the oven racks and give them a scrub. Then let them soak in warm, soapy water for a while. This should make them easier to clean properly. Now it's time to clean the tough bits inside your oven. Spray the burnt areas with oven cleaner and leave for a few minutes, then wipe clean with a damp cloth. Spray the inside of the door and give it a good clean with a soft cloth to avoid scratching. Give the outside of your oven the same treatment with the spray and cloth. If the knobs can be removed, soak them in warm soapy water too. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube channel. Or for more advice on looking after your home appliances, head to the D&G website at domesticandgeneral.com.